The Big Wood River peaked this morning at nearly 6 feet, its highest to date, and the National Weather Service forecasts the river to rise even higher over the next week. Already there's been evacuations here in Hailey, but the community is stepping up to help their neighbors. A total of 11 homes have received an evacuation order so far on War Eagle Road, and the houses nearby are preparing for the water to rise as the Jacobs are pumping water out of their crawl space and into their backyard.
For me, it's kind of nerve-wracking, like waiting, not sure when we're going to evacuate, and just watching the water build up.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's an adventure.
It's rising slowly, and you see it come toward you. And then we have this lake in our backyard.
This family has prepared 200 sandbags, but they didn't have to do it alone, as friends chipped in and the entire neighborhood held sandbag parties.
So we're ready if it does come up to our house.
And also, we've had a lot of friends and neighbors offer a place to stay if we need to evacuate, or a place to store our stuff, which has been great.
Yeah.
Blaine County provides sand free of charge. They have 3 different locations to fill bags, including the corner of War Eagle and Silver Star, one in the Robin Hood Loop, and one at the high school where students have volunteered their time to fill sandbags. And in the meantime, Idaho Power and other businesses have also been in the neighborhood.
I got a call from a restoration company today that's going to be down here doing a lot of water bladders around a few other houses.
The Big Wood River peaked at almost 6 feet, but the forecast calls for the river to rise even higher, and that would impact more homes.
The water is going to come up at least another foot, according to predictions. So if you haven't prepped your home in that area yet, you need to do it today.
The Jacobs are experiencing flooding for the first time, but 8 of the 11 homes weren't occupied. And one resident who's been through this before,
I built this house 35 years ago,
told us he will stay behind
and it was probably close to this chair all the way
to protect his property.
The fire marshal came by, gave me a call this morning, said they were evacuating. I says, yeah, I know the drill. I'm not going anywhere. And he goes, yeah, I know.
Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.